Here's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.